Stop being afraid of getting lost. Today on Rapid English, we are mastering the art of directions. From turning left at the corner to finding a hidden cafe, we're covering it all through easy-to-follow English conversations. I'm Musfirah, and this is your ultimate guide to directional English. Let's dive into our first scene. Excuse me, sorry to bother you, but I think I'm a bit lost.
Oh, hello. No problem at all. Where are you trying to go?
I'm looking for the National Museum. My GPS stopped working.
Don't worry. It's not too far from here.
Is it within walking distance?
Yes, about a 10-minute walk. First, go straight down this road until you reach the big glass building.
The one on the corner?
Exactly. At that intersection, turn right.
Okay, turn right at the glass building. And then?
Keep walking for the blocks. You will see a park on your left. The museum is directly opposite the park.
Opposite the park. Got it. Is there a sign?
Yes, a big blue sign. You can't miss it.
Thank you so much. You're a lifesaver.
You're very welcome. Enjoy the museum.
Hey, Sarah! Where are you? I've been waiting for 20 minutes.
I'm so sorry. I just finished at the museum. Where is this cafe?
It's called the Blue Bean. It's very close to you.
Okay, I'm standing in front of the museum entrance. Which way do I go?
Face the park. Turn left and walk toward the library.
I see the library. It's that old stone building, right?
Yes, the cafe is between the library and the post office.
Is it behind the bus stop?
No, it's right next to the bus stop. Look for the yellow umbrellas outside.
Oh, I see the umbrellas. I'll be there in 2 minutes.
Great! I've already ordered your coffee.
Excuse me, does this bus go to the city college?
Yes, it does. Hop on.
Could you tell me where I should get off? I'm new here.
Sure, it's about 5 stops from here.
How will I recognize the stop?
I'll announce it. But just so you know, the stop is just past the shopping mall.
So I get off after the mall?
Yes, once you get off, walk across the street. The college entrance is right there.
Is it a long walk from the bus stop?
Not at all. It's across from the main pharmacy.
Thank you for your help, driver.
No problem, son. Sit back and relax.
Great job staying until the end. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who is also learning English. Don't forget to subscribe to Rapid English with Musfirah for more daily conversation practice. Thank you for your support, and remember, every small step leads to big progress. See you next time!